Presenting our most highly recommended product, plastic measuring cups. Ten pieces plastic measuring cups kitchen spoon baking tools set with assorted color. Designed for accuracy, convenience, and style, this essential kitchen tool set ensures your recipes turn out perfectly every time. Perfect for spices, baking powder, and smaller quantities. Attractive assorted colors that make identifying sizes fast and add a fun, cheerful touch to your kitchen. Accurate measurements for better cooking and baking results. Buy one pack of 10 pieces plastic measuring cups, only $2.99. This set is perfect for accurately measuring both dry and liquid ingredients while baking or cooking. Easy to store, easy to clean, and built to last. Made from high-quality BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety, durability, and long-lasting use. Making it easy to identify different sizes at a glance and adding a cheerful touch to your kitchen. The cups and spoons nest inside each other for convenient storage, and come with a detachable ring to keep them organized and easy to access. Dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. The baking measure spoons are easy to wash for the water-resistant surface, saving much labor. Measuring cup set is suitable for dry and wet ingredients, including sugar, salt, flour, vinegar, and more. Suitable for liquid and dry ingredients, a must for any fully equipped kitchen. Easy to pile above other, which saves much storage space. An essential tool for any kitchen. So, this plastic measuring cups and spoons set makes measuring ingredients fast, easy, and precise, helping you cook and bake with confidence. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, precise measurements are key to great results. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.